One of my favorite things about streaming is the people that you meet. I've met so many people, so many different people too, from dropping in their streams or rating random people to meeting them at cons. One of my favorite ways to show support and love to my fellow streamers is during my live stream. When they're here supporting me, I want to show them that love too. And everyone's favorite way is by a shout out. How's about showing them a bit more love with a smooth, eye-catching alert? Hi, welcome to the classroom. My name is Spanish Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to give your shout out alert a little bit more pop via Pixel Chat. Giving it that pop is extremely easy using Pixel Chat.
Pixel Chat is a user-friendly stream plugin for live streaming. With things like chat overlays, emote walls, and even social media lower thirds, its smooth and modern design fulfills that eye-popping component that you need to make the most of your content.
Once you log into Pixel Chat, go to Overlays, create a new overlay, and make sure you pick Shoutout. Click Edit, and I would change the overlay title to Shoutout so you can easily find it in your sea of overlays. From there, scroll down. The first thing you see is Style. Background color, text color, the type of font, the edges of the main alert box, the edges of the user's logo, and the size of the user's website. Show Stream Preview when user is live is a fantastic thing. It'll pop up the box and show you a live video of them streaming. Keep scrolling and get to Other. This area is one of the most important parts because of this one tab. Toggle Preview Mode. With this one tab, you'll see everything throughout the whole process. You can also decide whether you want to show off what the user was playing last and their follower count. Personally, I don't care about the follower count, but I do like the last scene playing because it could really entice your viewers to, give them a follow or support them if the game appeals to them. The customization is next. This is where you can decide the length of time your alert is up for. 7 seconds is generally my norm. The actual shoutout message on your alert, make sure that you keep %user% so that it can show their username when you do give them the shoutout. The shoutout header and the command you want your mods or yourself to use during your stream. In my case, I use !SO, which I think most of us do. After that, their audio and animation. I have no audio in mind because I do feel like it distracts from the stream, but it's completely your preference. You can add your own audio, or if you want, use one of the pre-made ones that's already been integrated. Adjust the volume sound of your audio, and animation. Animation is something you can play around with. I have mine pop up and pop down in the middle of my stream. Play around with it however you want. Make it for your stream. Change the colors to meet your brand or your aesthetics. Remember, make it work for the scenes that you have, like the main scene or a just chatting scene. You don't want it to overtake the game or the scene that you're in, but you do want it to bring attention to the person that you're shouting out. After you're done with that, copy the URL and put it into Streamlabs OBS or OBS. Not much more to do than that, except just give people shoutouts in your stream. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Share this video with people who might want to make their shoutouts stand out a little bit. And also hit that like button, because apparently it makes the algorithm push your video up. I don't know. I don't teach math. Until next time, class dismissed.
I'm just holding on to people, praying to God that, okay, it's not that way. It's not that way. It's not that way, Chad. It's not that way. It's this way. It's this way. Get off me! Get off me! No! 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 Oh my God! How did I...